I saw a question on Facebook that I just had to answer. This question that I saw on Facebook said, where can you find the best Lightroom mobile preset packs? Hey, this is Scott Weidenkivowitz, a storyteller with a camera talking about all the things photographers like you and I are thinking about. In this video, we're going to be talking about Lightroom mobile presets. I saw a post on Facebook in one of the Facebook groups that I'm in asking about Lightroom mobile preset packs and specifically where to find the best Lightroom mobile preset packs. So I want to address this because a lot has changed in Lightroom mobile recently. A few months ago, Lightroom was updated, Lightroom Mobile was updated, Lightroom Classic CC, Lightroom CC, and Lightroom Mobile. All updated. And with it came a whole new preset system. And with that came syncing of your Lightroom presets. So when you ask or are thinking about where to get the best Lightroom Mobile presets, really the question needs to be where to get the best Lightroom presets. It used to be that you actually had to find a workaround, a sort of hack to get your presets into Lightroom. In fact, I even built that for my own Lightroom preset pack. You can click that card right there to check out those presets. With this change, now all you need is Lightroom Classic CC, Lightroom CC, and Lightroom Mobile. When you have all three of those things, you can now sync your presets from Lightroom Classic CC, sync those to Lightroom CC, and then sync the ones from Lightroom CC to Lightroom Mobile. It's that easy. So if you're interested in Lightroom presets for Lightroom Mobile, click on that card up above or click at the link in the description below and check out my Lightroom presets. Thanks for watching.